stays the same and the seasons keep on changing as they do, and we're all still just stories about concrete. Hello everyone and welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Kuya Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So before we get into it, please grab your capo and put it on the 6th fret, which means that this is now going to be your 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. And quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar, as well as teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to be using for this song, it's going to be these 4 chords right here. Just going to be your C major chord, just going to be a dead string in the lower E string. Now personally, I like using my thumb to mute that lower E string right there to create that dead sound. Aside from that, it's going to be 3, 2, open, 1, and then an open string as well on the high E string. Next up is going to be the A minor chord, it's going to be this one right here. Once again, using our thumb to mute the lower E string. And aside from that, it's going to be open, 2, 2, 1, and then an open string in the high E string as well. Next up is going to be the G major chord, it's going to be this one right here. That's going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Then lastly, it's going to be the F major chord, but not the complicated one. I'm going to be using a simpler one for this video. So that's going to be a lower E string, dead string, same thing with the A string, same thing with the thumb, but we're just going to be reaching a little bit further now this time to make sure that we create dead sounds for the lower E string and the A string. Yep. And for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be 3, 2, 1, then another dead string in the high E string. Now for that string, I recommend just resting your index finger like so. So instead of letting that ring, you just let your index finger rest as well on that high E string as you press the B string to create that dead sound. So yeah, just those 4 chords pretty much. Once again, C major chord, G major chord, the A minor chord, and then the F major chord. And as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Pretty simple, it's going to be like this. Yep. That's down, down, up, up, down, down, up. If you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strum and using this part of your thumb for the up strum. Yep, so all in all, it's going to be down, down, up, up, down, down, up. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that. You're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, down, up. So yeah, once you finally figure that out, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the chord progression that we're going to be using in this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, pretty much just that. It's just going to be the C major chord for 4 counts, A minor chord for 4 counts, G major chord for 4 counts, and then the F major chord for 4 counts. Repeating that for a total of 19 repetitions, and that's your song basically from start to finish. So it's going to be the C major chord for 4 counts. Once again, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. A minor, same thing. G major chord, same thing as well. And the F major chord. Just repeating that for the entirety of this song. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Nothing stays the same and the seasons keep on changing as they do, and we're all still just stories about concrete, X amount of So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other NIKI guitar tutorials or any other video for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.